Let's take a look here at Google Sheets scenario one. Mario is the lead of his school's math PLC. Each week, he and his teachers administer a common assessment using Quizizz. When the assessment is complete, each teacher exports the results from Quizizz to Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, each teacher's data is protected and can be used to create charts to help the PLC identify trends in student performance. In addition, Mario uses formulas in Sheets to help calculate student scores to help assign grades. Let's take a look here at a sample of what Mario would be doing here. So in this case here, we're going to pretend like this is a some data here that someone like Mario would have downloaded from his from Quizizz, from some test scores, and he wants to create a chart here so they're able to see some trends in student performance. So one thing that a teacher might do here is want to do the average score here. So to do an average score, you just select the first student scores, come over here to our function button and click on average and push enter, and you can see the average score. Now for the rest of them, it's very quick. If I click in that first student's row and his average score, and I hover over and I take the little blue box there in the bottom right of that cell and drag down, it'll apply that average score formula to all students below. So now that I have their average scores here, if I am to select all the data, I can then come over here to insert, go to chart, and I can create a chart to visually represent this data. And by default, it'll always show this kind of bar graph. But if you want a different one, come over here to chart type on the right. You come down here and you have a variety of choices that you can choose. So maybe for this case, we want a 3D pie chart. And if that's one that you think represents your data better, that's one that you would choose. You can close that down, and now you have created a chart for your student data.